Let me show you how to make a healthy breakfast. Of course, we're going to use the frying method, but trust me, this potato is going to be crispy and crunchy. At first, I started by peeling the potatoes. There's so many ways of peeling potato. Where I live, we call it batata. So at times I peel with knife. Sometimes I peel with this hand scraper. I don't know what it's called, but that thing is multifunctional. Trust me, you need it in your kitchen. So I headed to my sink, to wash the potatoes. I washed it like twice. If you've been following me for a long time, you will notice that I'm back to my Mozambique kitchen. I spent 6 months in Nigeria with my kids. I took one of my kids home and registered him. So I had to stay a little bit for him to, adapt before I come back. So finally I'm back here, guys. I hope you watched the way I slice the batata. It's very easy and simple. That's our major food here in Mozambique. So because I didn't want this batata to soak oil, so I'll go ahead and just boil it a little bit. Alternatively, if you don't want to add salt to the potato directly after slicing, you can add it to the water that you want to use and boil it. Okay, so here you just have to let the water to boil on its own before you now add the sliced batata into it. Turn it and cover it, allow it to boil for just 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, immediately it boils for the first time, you take it out and strain it with your strainer. So after this, I transferred it to another strainer, with smaller holes. The other one has a big hose, so you will notice why I did that soon. So I went ahead to heat up oil, to fry the batata. So this is the reason why I changed the strainer, because I'm going to put baking soda to it, because if I use the strainer with bigger hose, it's definitely going to waste all the baking powder rather. So I went ahead and fried the batata, deep frying, please guys, deep frying. So while the batata is frying, I went ahead to get my egg, because I want to make a scrambled egg. All right, you're going to be getting a lot of e's and words here, sorry for that. So when I'm making a voiceover, I'm supposed to be doing it in past tense, right? But sometimes I'll feel like I'm teaching the person presently, so I'll just be using the present tense on it. So sorry and bear with me. With time, I know I will get better. So I cracked 3 eggs and then I added salt and the mixture of black and white pepper. So I bought the coaxed white and black pepper, then blended it with my blender, and then put the two of them together in one place. That is all I'm going to be adding to that egg. Please guys, if you don't use those black and white pepper to fry egg, what are you waiting for? You don't need to add any other thing. Trust me, it comes out very nice and yummy. So our batata is done and ready, so I took it out of the oil. So in here is another pan that I'll be using to make my egg. So I grease the pan a little bit so it doesn't stick. This is actually for baking, but me, I use it to grease my pan whenever I want to make scrambled egg, okay, without oil. So the batata that I made, my dear, if you like, press it from now till December. No single oil, no single drop of oil is coming out from it. So that is the idea. So that's why I use that method, because I'm all about eating healthy this time. So it's me again, your girl Gift of Gifted Kitchen. So if you've watched this video to this moment, that means you're a lover or you love what I do here. So please, if you've not followed me, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make a comment on this video. If there's any correction, you go ahead and do it. Okay, so in here I was plating the food, so I added the scrambled egg and now my crispy batata. Okay, batata is what we call it in Mozambique. And then I added a little bit of ketchup that will use to eat the batata, and then a little bit of grapes. I love Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Are you seeing how crunchy this potato is? That is the idea.